Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here is Mini. And today I want to show you this collapsible and also kind of like foldable. It's not entirely foldable, but it's kind of like collapsible and you can take it on the go with you. This cat litter box that this brand sent to me for this video is especially good for traveling. Number one, everything is made of this really hard plastic, so it's super washable and super easy to wash in case that you want to put this one, for example, in your car, and then when you reach destination, you can assemble this one in about, I want to say probably 5 minutes, 7 minutes tops, no more than that. You will put this part over here and then this on the sides and then this on top, and that's it. But the other good thing about this one is, by the way, the size is about 20 by 16 by 16. So it's quite large. I'll have to say that for medium to small size cats, it's quite large. For a large cat, for example, it's kind of like right there, it's kind of like right on the spot. But meaning I will not be able to do this right this. Okay, but the other the other thing that I want to show you is, I think I'm going to actually take you on a close-up now. Okay, let's try to do this. The other thing that I was just about to show you is this right here. So for cleaning purposes, you can remove this one super easy, or you can take the entire thing out and use it as a cat litter without this if you are, again, traveling, for example. So that is really cool to have. It's actually pretty deep as well. And then also you will find this that you can remove totally if you want. That comes with that lock over here. So you can kind of like remove that one as well if you want it to be kind of like reversible and go to inside and go outside as well. Also, this right here is entirely breathable, so for odor control, that's gonna be good. And they can get inside here and then get out from here, or use it to kind of like get their head out in case that is a large cat. Also, you can just clip this one from the side, so that's gonna be your two scoops. You're gonna have the main scoop and the secondary scoop, which I can't do this right now. So you have one for number one and you have one for number two. So that's basically it's gonna be how this is gonna work, and then you clip it right here on the side as well. So I want to say that for traveling purposes, this is really good. Also, super easy to use, super easy to wash. You have the door, you have the head, kind of like compartment over there just for them to get out. And then you can just take this drawer out if you need. Super good for traveling and also convenient to have.